It was great to come along to the school this evening, to be invited by the staff to find out about the development of the curriculum for Wales and how the school has been involved in developing it and implementing it on sort of on a practical level, how it's actually going to work in the classroom. A few weeks ago we had a questionnaire from the school about some of the aspects that have been talked about tonight, and it was nice to see that some of the things that us as parents had put into that questionnaire about the curriculum, and what sort of learner do you want your child to be, what sort of person do you want your child to be. It was nice to see some of the things that we had put in that have been reflected in what the school presented back to us today as parents.
We planned the parental survey in order to ensure that all parents had access to the survey. I think that was really important, that it was a survey that was open to all the parents and that we had everyone's input and they all felt comfortable completing the survey, because we genuinely appreciate their input, we genuinely appreciate their ideas. So we kept the survey really simple because I think that was going to be more effective. We didn't want parents having to spend half an hour at home filling things out. So we had 4 key questions in the survey. The first one was with regards to curriculum. What did they think was important in a good curriculum? What key aspects were they looking for in our curriculum here at Ysgol Llanhari? The second question was asking about the type of person we want to develop within our pupils. So what attributes are important to us as these young individuals develop as pupils? And then we were looking at also the types of learners that our pupils that we wanted to develop. What types of learners did we want here at Ysgol Llanhari? And with that then we gave quite an open question where we were asking parents for their ideas and their input with regards to the type of themes or the types of units of work, the things they'd like their children to be learning about in school. We hope to get out of the survey some ideas. Obviously, it was really important to us that we had the input of the parents, that we had ideas from them. We completed the survey with the parents, also with the staff, with the pupils, and also with the school governors. That was really important to us with the survey, that we had everyone involved and that everyone was buying into this whole school vision and everyone had their voice.
Yeah, it was nice to see how you don't see much of your kids' work when they come home. It's like trying to get blood from a stone. So it was nice to sort of see some of that explained this evening in sort of the glimpses that you see of their work and how that all fits together in that cross-curriculum activities of the development of the different skills. So yeah, that was great to see.